To go live, open the Chat Anywhere menu. Here you'll see the channels available for integration. To connect your chatbot to your website, click Get Embed Script. Choose the language your site is built with, copy the script, and paste it into the header or footer file in your site's backend. If you're unsure, ask your webmaster or reach out to us for paid assistance. To connect with your Facebook page, click Connect Messenger. Select the pages you want to link with NexAi, then click Save. Choose the page for this domain and you're live. You can also disconnect anytime. WhatsApp integration works the same way. Just connect, save, and you're ready to go.